Welcome. The Internet Marketer Training Channel by George Pierce presents a paid advertising trick for affiliate marketing. You are about to discover a strategy that is so easy, so simple, and so effective. Mr. P discourages spending money on advertising as a newbie. The reason is that for most newbies, advertising will cost you more money than you make. However, most newbies are going to test the advertising waters. If you are one of those newbies, there are two things in this video that will help you. First is what is called niche marketing, and second is to employ Mr. P's secret, which will be revealed shortly. Niche marketing is easy, very effective, and essential. I invite you to learn more about niche marketing with free research tools. You will find a link to one of Mr. P's videos about niche research below. Your next strategy is to use the following paid advertising trick that guarantees results. If you are finding value in this video, give it a big thumbs up. Do that right now. Turn the like button black. Thank you. You are watching the Internet Marketer Training Channel by George Pierce. If you are interested in making money as an affiliate marketer from the comfort of your home, subscribe and ring the bell so Mr. P can let you know whenever he uploads a new video. And if you would like to know another way to make a full-time income from home, Mr. P's #1 choice for making money online, click the link in the description where it says start here and Mr. P will send you the details. Your next strategy is a powerful paid advertising trick, so let's check it out. First, let's go to a site called Clickbank. Clickbank is one of the largest affiliate networks on the internet. Clickbank is free to join. When we check out the top products, we see that Exipure is the #1 product. So let's say you decide to market Exipure. If we use Google to search for the keyword Exipure, we will find several ads. The secret is that we want to find keywords that have good search and no ads. If we see ads, we do not want to base our ad around those keywords. Again, we want no ads and good search. Next on Google's suggested keywords is Exipure ingredients. What if we based our ad on the keyword phrase Exipure ingredients? Aha, we have a winner. There are no ads, none at the top or bottom. This means no ad competition. But do we have any search volume? According to Ubersuggest, which is a free Chrome extension, we have surprisingly good search volume of over 5,400 searches per month, and no ads, so we have no ad competition. One more advantage about this keyword phrase is that it is the kind of phrase that people use who are serious and who are about ready to buy. Again, Mr. P is not an advocate of newbies spending money on advertising, but he knows that many of you are going to spend money on ads regardless. So use these two strategies right away to maximize your return. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to join this channel. Watch this video next.